Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we'll be taking a journey into the world of IoT manufacturing and how it is being impacted by the advent of 5G technology. We'll be exploring why the progression has been slower than expected and what the future has in store for us. You'll learn about the potential of 5G in revolutionizing manufacturing, the challenges it's currently facing, and the realistic expectations we should have. Let's pull back the curtain and dive right into it. About 5 years ago, the fifth generation of mobile telecoms technology, also known as 5G, began rolling out in the United States. It was hailed as a game changer, promising exponentially faster download speeds, a significant expansion in overall network capacity, a radical drop in latency, and the ability for companies to share much more data in real time. 5G operates on the millimeter wave spectrum, allowing a significantly higher number of devices to be used in the same area. To put this into perspective, while fourth-generation technology can support only about 4,000 devices per square kilometer, 5G can handle about 1 million. This advancement paves the way for manufacturers to transition more rapidly to condition-based IoT manufacturing. With its ability to support many more sensors, 5G can monitor equipment in real time and transmit an incredible amount of data efficiently, reliably, and securely. However, the adoption of 5G in IoT manufacturing seems to be moving at a snail's pace. The capabilities for 5G computing and data transmission may exist, but taking full advantage of them is a challenge due to the complexity of the industry and equipment. Currently, the most successful use cases are consumer-based, particularly in the areas of gaming and entertainment streaming. Enterprise adoptions are still in the early stages, with a few companies implementing 5G-driven drilling technologies in mining, and some use of autonomous vehicles, robotics, and virtual reality. The solutions that can fully leverage 5G are complex and require specialized expertise that is not widely available in our current workforce. This is creating a skills gap. While manufacturers with a limited number of assets may be able to optimize critical assets more easily, for most manufacturers, production lines are much more complex. Collecting the right data from all of this equipment is a challenge in itself. Figuring out what to do with that data to actually drive improvement is even harder. So what does the future hold for 5G and IoT manufacturing? There's no doubt that 5G will drive further innovation for our world as a whole. However, when it comes to truly adopting IoT in manufacturing and maximizing the capabilities of 5G, we still have a long way to go. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring near-perfect reliability of the connection. Speed is crucial, but when you're monitoring assets worth millions of dollars, every dropped cell connection can be extremely detrimental. In fact, 99% reliability isn't good enough. We need to be 99.999% reliable. Anything less means generating too many false positives and wasted maintenance effort. We certainly don't want to be testing the internet connection as a point of failure in order to test the reliability of the asset. Moreover, most manufacturing processes are complex, and it will take time for our labor force to catch up and for innovative solutions to become more affordable, especially in the realm of maintenance and repair. Eventually, though, I believe that 5G will bring down the cost of asset monitoring by reducing the cost of entry and implementation of condition-based monitoring technologies, such as sensors, that can monitor and transmit near real-time performance data. 5G will allow faster collection and processing of all this information, enabling manufacturers to respond to alerts that signal impending failure just in time. Innovative technology such as Starlink, the world's first and largest satellite constellation using a low Earth orbit to deliver broadband internet, can help us monitor more devices, even those located in extremely remote areas that previously had poor connections like oil and gas rigs or ships in the ocean. But let's be realistic, all of this is going to take a lot more time. It's a lot easier to add bits and bytes versus the atoms and matter that must follow in the physical world to make it all a reality. From my perspective, the industry lags behind the consumer world by a decade. But don't lose hope, because the future developments of 5G and IoT manufacturing will certainly be well worth waiting for. And that's a wrap. We've covered the potential of 5G in revolutionizing manufacturing, the challenges it's currently facing, and the realistic expectations we should have. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, Visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.